So another big question we get asked is why join Jim's? There's plenty of other franchises out there. So Jim's has been going for 35 years. Jim was actually a research scientist paying his way through university by mowing lawns. And that's how his business grew. He kept growing, getting busier and busier, and finally one day someone said to him, why don't you franchise? And that's how it all started. Jim's is over 50 different divisions. So from everything from pool care through to electricians, cleaning, you name it, we do it. Jim's the one. So we've got over 4,000 franchisees between Australia and New Zealand. So it's a trusted brand. We had Antonio down in Hamilton that was a private cleaner. He was earning $25 an hour and he thought that was a good wage. When he joined Jim's, he doubled it to at least $50 an hour because that brand recognition made all the difference. You've got the trust, you've got the training, you've got the insurance, you've got the health and safety policies. All of that makes a huge difference when you're out there as a proper business.